people, good day to you all. Welcome back again. I am back again. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are fine. As for me and my household, we are fine by special grace of God. Sorry guys, don't mind my voice. You guys know this is how my voice is. Today guys, before I go to the reason I am here, so let me just drop this. It's very important. If you are seeing this video for your first time, you are not yet being a part of my family, please don't go without subscribe to Go See That Precious. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. For my old Thomas subscribe, and the good Lord continue to bless you all in Jesus' name. Guys, I'm not going to happy today because I'm just thinking, because I don't even know what to say, but I just come out to give a little advice for people that is going through exactly my topic today. So there is one brother I know it very well, but actually let me go to my language. So this brother entered Europe 2009. I even come meet her for here. The brother not get paper, he never go Nigeria, and he never still married, he not get children. But home and abroad, he not get child, he not get money, he not see work. Understand? This brother, they think people they advise her, he not the hear, they think. Then my girlfriend call me, say the brother sleep, he not wake up. The only thing when I tell my girlfriend, he said they don't even know. Say they don't even know. But now one of his friend call ask her for, say if they call her, you know, they pick. Even the landlord we even get the house way if you carry one room, because carry one room for person. The man don't even know. Say see what they happen. Only because you know, see the man they always the brother they always go also every day. It is say maybe he never come for also, or just to follow that side, go one of his friends' side. Understand? This friend call her, he not pick. So he landlord wife come to say phone the ring for his house. Say the brother no pick. Because yeah, because this his friend, I say his friend, they call her, continue they call. You know, pick. So the way when he landlord wife come they cook for kitchen, he could hear say for the ring. As for the ring, he come call her husband, say, brother for the ring for his house. So have you brother leave before for her? Say as the man just say open door, this brother and the landlord take open door, because I say he just bracket cover her the way. You know, from winter, you must cover yourself because cold. The way the brother take cover. They wake up because the mother say advance. The landlord they say, bros, they wake up. The brother no way before they know. They call police. Police come. When police they come because of this coronavirus, they carry doctor, all those kind of things. With the test, and you say they must run test before they do everything. So they come red test, they go say a heart attack, killers, sickness. So I use this opportunity to comment. God say, my viewers, my people, if you dey Europe for many years, you don't get documents, you don't go Nigeria, you don't get money, leave everything for God. Maybe it's not yet your time. You understand me? If you they think say people wanna go inside Europe, they go Nigeria every year, they go Nigeria every time, they get paper, they get work. It's not yet your time. If your time come, I mean they talk more. If your time come, 1 minute is too big for you to blow. You understand me? So the brother just go like that. You know, see, the people, the family where they cry, mama where they cry, they cry about every time. And mama, you know, see him again, Anna. Understand me? Pikin, you know, get wife you no get. Why I talk this man? Why I carry this matter come out? I just carry and come out to go advise people. If you are in Europe for many years, you not see document. Don't not say me you kill yourself. You hear me? You not fit kill yourself because say you don't get documents or because say you don't get money. Maybe God say your time never come. If your time come, you go even surprised how you take get the document. If your time come, you yourself don't go even know how the money take come. How you take see work, you go know you don't go even know. You never see person will be say you go put house for grant before a year. You don't build the house, maintain everything. E day, you hear me? Your time never reach. You don't see what you dey think for. Give yourself happiness. Happy, leave everything for God, because there is nothing God cannot do. When your time comes, God will open the book of your success. When your time comes, God will open the book of your victory. You will see the wave of success, blessing flow everywhere around you. So you're surprised that now, maybe you just remain small, may time reach, sickness, heart attack, killer, which is very bad. Let us learn how to be happy, always happy, no matter the situation. Nobody is perfect in this life. Nobody is 100%. Your situation is not mine. Your challenge is not my challenge. You know, our challenge is not. I'm going to say your challenge is not my challenge. My challenge is not your challenge. I don't know the reason why we are just killing ourselves. Where God said today is today. We don't have choice. We don't have man to say, God, please give me some time. Please, God, give me some time. You know they happen. Your way God say, back on your time. You go. Understand me? You know see the reason why some people go just they think because of money. Wait till be money. My grandmother they talk this was say, if money or feeding don't come out, get the way they use my language. Usega la yirairi. The thing they talk say. If suffer, I want to talk and say money, if food come up for suffer, everything is fine. If you see money to the eat, you see money to the pay your strength, you see money to the do what they bother, you know, to build dance, to go to Nigeria, to do this, to do that, to make people to hear about you, or the musician in your community, or the musician in your city. I mean, where your real country. Let's say, for example, Nigeria, how the musician will be using you to sing, blah blah blah. That is not life. Understand me? That is not life. That is not the reason why you will kill yourself. Say, go see my mate. They go Nigeria, flow and flow. Every year they go. Maybe it's not your time. Please, brother, sister, if you dey Europe, you never see documents. Leave everything for God. With God, all things are possible. If God won't bless you, one day it's too big. Me, I don't see person where build 2 flats. I say 2 flats, 4 flats for 6 months. I don't see the person. This one be said they say. No. Not they say. My eyes see. He tell me, say favor. I say, He said this as before. It start the house January. He said this is the house that they built. Before December, I want my parents go do Christmas and New Year for December. For my house. It really happened. Do you know why? Because our time don't come. Now make everything boom once. Please, guys, don't take anything. Always happy. When you are happy, you forget everything you are passing through. Remember, your pay is not my pay. Remember, your situation is not my situation. Always remember that everybody have a challenge. Give yourself happiness. Free yourself. Leave everything for God. Try your best. Don't give up. Keep pushing. And leave everything for God. So now this little advice I just come out to give. So watch this video. Please, you are free to share to the world so that people will see. They will listen to this advice. So they will take this. They will reason it that. They will take it so that they will know that in this life, nothing in this life. Everything in life is vanity upon vanity. So watch this video, you never yet be my family. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you subscribe, please make sure you turn the notification bell for me. Then anytime I upload a new video, be the first person to notify. See you guys in my next video. And my family and me, my returning subscribe, you guys are so amazing. May the good Lord continue to bless you.